Hi and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm doing a unboxing of the Xlayout X Central. So this is a foldable dual monitor stand. So it does have like a tray also for your phone, and of course you've got room there for your monitor, laptop and tablet. So as you can see here, it is like a Transformers, so it does have a lot of features all built into it. And of course it's not just a normal stand as well, you have your storage areas, and as you can see here, this actually comes out, as we'll see later, and you can have like a mobile phone stand, and then for your tablet as well. But also you can see here it does include USB-C and USB Type A, USB 3.0, so you can use this as a dock as well. So that's really good. It's a powered dock as well. So you can see here that it has all the features and everything, and you can actually add as a single layer like here, or you can make a second layer and it comes as part of all-in-one package kind of thing. So as you can see here, the packaging is actually really quite nice and deluxe, so it's not a cheap packaging at all, as you can see. So you can see here as well that you've got about the layout and their website and all the information they've got here. So you've got the specifications around here. So you've got, it's a foldable dual monitor stand. So also you will see later you can extend it, so you can make it higher or shorter as well. So that's perfect if you're like me, that has a lot of little drawers underneath my monitor and everything else. You can see here the maximum load as well. So you've got here is 25 kg, and then for the small stand is 15. So that's plenty weight for most monitors. You've got the weight of the actual product is about 2.28 kg or 5 pounds. And then you've got the materials here. So it's ABS, so plastic. You've got metal, acrylic and silicone. So the silicone actually gives you the nice grip onto your monitor, so it doesn't actually, the feet of it doesn't actually move about, and you don't want that. And the color is black as well. And then you've got here RGB lighting as well, so it's perfect for the actual for the gamer out there as well. So if you've got some RGB, so you can see the recommended retail price, or the manufacturer retail price, is $100. They're always doing a discount, I've seen on the website, so you will get it for less if you look out for a sale when buying this. And I'll put the website details and the link and everything else to the product so you can see. So it's not a cheap item, but then you pay for what you get for, like I say. So as I said, this is well made and everything else. So you can see the packaging here it comes in. So you can see the packaging is really nice as well, the design of the actual packaging, and of course that's their symbol of the X. So we can open this up. So you can see here, if I unbox this and take this out, so you can see it's very well packaged, and then I'll put that to one side. So you can see in here that you do have all the cables and everything necessary. So you do have your foldable here as the dual monitor stand. So you've got the user manual, then you have your cable inside here as well. So USB Type A, and then their proprietary USB port here as well that goes into the back of the dock. And then you have your USB Type A, and that's their power adapter there as well. So you can see here you get all that information. Now I'll do some screenshots of the actual information that you'll get there on the screen as well, so you can see what's inside there. So if I just move the box out the way, and we can move on to the actual product. So we'll move on to the product opening now. So as we said, now moving on to actually unpackaging the item. So you can see it comes in it's very well packaged, but again for the price we expect it to be well packaged and everything else. So it's always good to see they actually put in the extra effort. So we've got the two docks here, as we said. So we'll stick with the first base dock first, and we'll come back to the other small one that goes on top later. So this is the first one, as you can see on here. So if I just turn it over, so you can see here the monitor stand. So you can see here you've got your feet as well, but you can see these actually fold out, so you can actually make it longer. So if you just go like this, you can actually make the actual monitor stand itself much longer. As you can see here or if you want to, you can fold it in so it does narrow it down. We have our, as you can see here, our two USB Type A 3.0 ports and a USB Type C. So it's good to see they're including USB Type C, so for future proofing. As we said there, it does have the silicone rubber feet on the back, and then if you have it down here as well, so they cover you all dimensions as well, so if you want it on the smaller side or in the larger. So as we said here as well, if we put this down on here, you'll be able to see as well that the stand comes out and you can put your mobile phone on here, and then also you have a stand here as well, a little drawer, but also a stand here for your tablet you can put into it, so that's really good to see. Everything is well nice and strong, so it doesn't feel flimsy at all, and as I said, I didn't expect to with the actual here. So you can see the actual light bar here as you plug it in, and you can see here the actual type. So again, it's nice and strong. This bit is made of plastic, but you can see here straight at the front here you've got your USB ports. Okay, so we'll move on now to the second layer of the actual monitor stand. So now we're moving on to the second half of the actual stand. So the Xlayout stand, as we said, comes in two halves. So this is the top half that you can have, but also you can have this as a separate stand as well, so it's always good to see. So you can see here again, it's got the grip on here as well, so, and the silicone feet if you do, and again it's a nice touch because of the quality, so it is nice and tough, so I like to see. Again, it is ABS plastic on here, but you do have the metal reinforcement all through here, and it doesn't feel cheap. As we said, this is quite expensive, but you have the silicone feet here as well. And as we said here, folding it down is nice and strong, so it does feel good in the hand. I always like to see that, especially if you're putting monitoring and everything else on there. So you've got silicone feet, and also you can see underneath here. So if we flip it over, you can see here you've got even more options on the top. So as we can see here, you do have the option to flip this out, and then you can raise this as well, so you can put a tablet or anything like that on there. So that's really good to see. So you have got multiple options on here, and then also you've got another stand as well. That's good to see, so you can actually put your mobile phone in there, use it as a stand, or even a smallish tablet if you wanted to. Again, it's nice and strong, so it doesn't feel like flimsy, it's going to break. And again, you have some storage, and then also a tablet or a mobile phone holder there as well. But as we said, again, this is the second half of it, so this can go on to the bottom half if you like, as two layers, or you can have this by itself and have two different trays. But again, this one here, as you can see here, we've got, it goes on onto here like here, so you can see here, and it does have the feet rest as well, so it slides in. So you can see here on here, this does have the actual sliding area for it to actually slide in and make it nice and strong. So you can have actually a lot of storage underneath your laptop, and then your monitor or your tablet on top, USB ports and everything else. So it is actually really good to see something so strong and everything else. And again, it's well built, so you can have it on there as well. And the low capacity, as we said, is more than enough for your monitors and things like that. And again, you've got your USB Type A ports here. That's USB 3, USB-C, and then as we said on before, that you do have another port on the back, and that's actually just to power. So you can see here we have a switch, so you've got your 5-volt that we had the power cable for, and then also for the USB-C dock as well. So that'll go into your, one end will go into this, and the other cable will go into the back of your computer. And then you have the switch here for the, as you can see here, the LED light strip as well, and you've got the channel there as well. So overall, this is actually really good, and it will come in handy for my desk, especially with the actual stand for the mobile phone. It's always good. Right now I've just got an IKEA quite cheap wooden one that's falling apart, so this would be quite good, as well as everyone loves a bit of RGB, so you can't go wrong. And then also having the extra USB ports on the front as well is going to be really handy, so I can just plug USB sticks in and things like that. So overall, yeah, it's a really good product. Just for transparency, I was sent this free of charge to review, but no one's looked at the video or anything like that before I've published it, just like all other ones. So this is my honest opinion of it. Again, check out the website if you're interested in something like this. As I said, they've always got sales on and things like that, so have a look at the other products as well they do, because they do innovative different products and things like that, and make things of a good design and quality, and I've never had any issues when I've bought with my own money things through them before as well. Okay, so as usual, if you have any questions, then please leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to get back to you. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.